In today's complex business world, small businesses face many challenges. But with advancing technology and smart strategies, there are a growing number of opportunities to increase profits and boost your ROI. First, streamlining your operations and reducing overhead costs may seem counterintuitive if your goal is to make more money, but cutting unnecessary costs is essential for increasing your business's profitability. Conduct a process audit to identify inefficiencies, automate repetitive tasks, and consider outsourcing non-core activities. Next, enhance customer experience and retention. Satisfaction rates have a direct correlation to the customer's likelihood of repeat purchases. Plus, happy customers are more likely to recommend your services to others. Diversifying your revenue streams and optimizing pricing strategies allows you to explore new opportunities and fine-tune your pricing to attract more customers and maximize your revenue. Investing in employee training and development allows you to equip your employees with the skills and knowledge they need to excel. Improving inventory management is crucial for reducing costs, increasing efficiency, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Effective inventory management helps prevent stockouts and overstocking, which can significantly impact your ROI. By utilizing various digital marketing strategies and optimizing your online presence, you can reach a broader audience and increase your business's profitability. Regularly analyzing your financial performance is key to identifying opportunities for improvement and ensuring the long-term success of your business. Building strategic partnerships can open up new opportunities for growth, expand your market reach, and enhance your competitive advantage. Applying these strategies can increase your small business's profitability and ensure long-term success. Get in touch with a Quicksand Solutions expert today to learn how we can help you implement solutions and strategies that will boost your bottom line. Learn more at quicksand.com or reach out to us directly at info@quicksand.com.